Find the value of y to 2 decimal places. Use cosine rule. The square of line BC equals the sum of the square of line AB and the square of line AC minus 2 times the product of line AB and line AC times cosine 105 degrees. Substitute values and we have that 25 equals the sum of the square of y and 16 minus negatives 2.07055 times y. After simplification of substituted values. Open bracket and rearrange terms in one side of the equation. The sum of the square of y and 2.07055 times y plus 16 minus 25 equals 0. It follows that the square of y plus 2.07055 times y minus 9 equals to 0. Use general quadratic equation formula. Y equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the square of b minus 4 times a times c. All divided by 2 times a. We call it equation 1. Where a equals 1. B equals 2.07055 and C equals negative 9. Substitute these values into equation 1. Y equals negative 2.07055 plus or minus the square root of the square of 2.07055 minus 4 times 1 times 9. All divided by 2 times 1. Which equals to half of 4.27667, or half of negative 8.41777. In reality, y is not equals to half of negative 8.41777. It is because length measuration has no negative value. It signify that y equals half of 4.27667, which equals to 2.138335. Therefore, y equals 2.14 units to 2 decimal places.